Legend says that one day, as Ambrose was walking around the church doing meditation, the devil appeared. Now, with a man as saint, as faithful as Ambrose, it's like dust on a shoulder. You easily brush off. But the devil stayed, and he tried to tempt Ambrose so many times that Ambrose fed up. He kicked the devil, who stumbled and fell, and his two horns got stuck where you see the two holes. A legend says that unable to free himself, the devil decided to create a portal directly to hell using the holes. And that's why you smell sulfuric acid. You hear the rumble of the river, and on the Friday of Easter, you see the devil grinning victoriously because Christ is dead. Sure, he will resurrect on Sunday. So it's interesting how next to the most important church in northern Italy, you had your own entrance to hell. It's like you've been a naughty boy, you know where you can go.